Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the footer line in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application. So let me go in footer. So you can see there is a two line in footer. So okay, so this two line is not same. They are different. Okay, so first line is a shape and this second line is a border. Okay, so you can delete that in different way. You can't use the same way to delete this. Okay, so I will show you. First, what you need to do to edit footer, you need to enable the footer. Okay, so you come to the search bar here and search for footer and go to the edit footer. Now this footer will be enabled to edit. Now you can see this is shape. Okay, if I click on it, if I double click on it, it will be select. Okay, but if I trying to click this line, it won't select because it is not shape, it is border. So shape you can delete easily. Just select, double click on it and delete, select it. Now you can enter the delete button, then the line will be deleted. For border, we need to do one thing. Here, go to the home. Under the paragraph option, you can see this border option. Just click on the tiny line arrow and choose no border. Now you can see this footer line has been gone. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.